Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to slow down animation. So for example, I will create the shaper object and we can create for the basic animation. So we'll set in the frame 1 here, the keyframes and move into 20. Okay, you can use the move tool, so I will move to the top a bit. Set the keyframe 30, can move again. Set keyframes and then 40. You can move, set the keyframe. Now if you play, this is the animation too fast. So I will create the slow at the keyframe. So I will slow in the frame 1 into frame 20. So you can go to Windows Animations Editor and I will use a grab editor. So in here we have this keyframe 1 until 20. I will slow down. So you can use these tools, real-time tools. First, I will click in the first frame. You can double click to set and then click on the 20, double click again to set. So we have this bridge between 1 into 20 and you can increase, like I will move into 100 and then you can play. So to be smooth, you can see. I will smooth again. I will set into 150 and you can see the frames only 120. You can increase the keyframes like into here and then we can play again. So to be smooth the selected frame. So that's it for basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to slow down animation.